ocean. "Come on, rainbow fish," say the others. "Come and play with us." He didn't want to play with anybody. He just swims away. One day, a little blue fish followed after him. "Rainbow fish, wait for me. Give me one of your shiny scales." "What? Who do you think you are?" "No, I don't share my scales. They are mine. Go away from me." The little blue fish swims away. He is crying and crying. After this, nobody wants to play with him. Look at them. When they saw him coming, they all swim away. The rainbow fish became the loneliest fish in the entire ocean. He goes to the starfish. "I'm so beautiful. Why the others don't like me?" "I can't answer for that. Swim to the deep dark cave and ask the wise octopus." "I know why you are here," said the octopus. "Share your scales with the others." "No, never," said the rainbow fish. "I can't do that." The way back, he met again the little blue fish. "Rainbow fish, please give me one of your shiny scales." "All right, but only one very, very small shiny scale." And then he pulled out one of the scales and gave it to the blue fish. "Thank you. Thank you very much." The rainbow fish pulled out one of his shiny scales and gave it to him. And the rainbow fish felt much better. After that, all the others wanted a shiny scale too, and he gave it to everyone. "Come on, rainbow fish, come and play with us," they said. "Here I come," says rainbow fish. And they played together. And rainbow fish maybe is not the most beautiful fish in the entire ocean, but maybe one of the happiest ones. And this is the end of the story. Most elmondom